Welcome to this video on incorporating AI and ChatGPT into stocks and trade analysis. In this video, we will explore how artificial intelligence and natural language processing can be used to analyze stocks and trades and provide insights and predictions for investors. Let's dive in. Using AI and ChatGPT for stock analysis. So, how can AI and ChatGPT be used for stock analysis? There are several ways in which these technologies can be applied. Sentiment analysis. By using natural language processing to analyze social media posts, news articles, and other online content, AI can identify the sentiment surrounding a particular stock or company. This can help investors gauge market sentiment and make more informed decisions. Predictive analytics. AI can be used to analyze past trends and predict future stock prices. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can identify patterns and correlations in large datasets and generate predictions for future stock movements. Natural language generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate natural language reports that summarize stock data and provide insights for investors. These reports can be customized to specific investor preferences and provide a more personalized approach to stock analysis. Advantages of AI and ChatGPT in stock analysis. There are several advantages to using AI and ChatGPT in stock analysis. Speed and efficiency. AI and ChatGPT can quickly analyze large amounts of data and generate insights in real time. This can help investors make faster and more informed decisions. Improved accuracy. AI and ChatGPT can help eliminate human biases and errors, providing more accurate predictions and insights. Personalized approach. ChatGPT can generate customized reports that are tailored to specific investor preferences and needs, providing a more personalized approach to stock analysis. Scalability. AI and ChatGPT can be easily scaled to analyze large amounts of data and provide insights for multiple stocks or companies. How to incorporate AI and ChatGPT into stock analysis. So, how can you incorporate AI and ChatGPT into your stock analysis? Here are some steps to follow. Identify your goals. Before incorporating AI and ChatGPT, you need to identify your goals and the specific tasks that you want to automate or enhance with AI. Choose the right AI products. Once you have identified your goals, choose the AI products that are best suited to your needs. Look for products that have the features and capabilities that you require. Plan your integration. Plan how you will integrate the AI products into your stock analysis. Consider the data and inputs that each product requires, as well as the outputs and results that you want to achieve. Implement the integration. Once you have planned your integration, implement it by integrating the AI products and testing the system. Make any necessary adjustments or modifications as needed. Monitor and evaluate. Once your AI integration is up and running, monitor and evaluate the system to ensure that it is meeting your project goals and producing the desired results. Make any necessary adjustments or improvements as needed. Conclusion. In conclusion, incorporating AI and ChatGPT into stock analysis can provide numerous benefits, including speed, efficiency, accuracy, and personalization. By identifying your goals, choosing the right product, make sure to subscribe for more AI content.